is a kitten. This is a cat. This is a puppy. This is a dog. This is a calf. This is a cow. This is a foal. This is a horse. This is a chick. This is a chicken. This is a lamb. This is a sheep. This is a kid. This is a goat. This is a cub. This is a lion. This is an elephant calf. This is an elephant. This is a tadpole. This is a frog. See you next time on For Kids to Know.